Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be taking you behind the scene on how we went about decorating this amazing, stunning venue space. It's a little bit of glam meets rustic. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how we put together this beautiful glam rustic wedding.
I love it. I knew it was going to be amazing.
Today's the big day.
Today's a big day?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is a little bit lesser than Texas, right?
Oh, much less. This ain't nothing compared to Texas.
So we got less boxes this time, less hands. Oh, heavy bags?
Yeah.
Alright. So, this is what the venue looks like. And welcome to the wedding. So that's gonna be the spot. This is the venue before.
Before the big day.
Before. So putting the boxes there, getting stuff ready before we start setting up. Before it go down. Spot look like. What did you say? You say that's the outdoor?
Yeah, with the ceremony.
That's the outdoor where the ceremony is gonna be at. Very small gathering. Backdrop, it's going to be right up here. So we gotta fix the backdrop very soon. So let me see how tall. Can you get to the top, Sherly? Can you reach all the way on top? I don't know. You're gonna need something. I know I can reach up there, but for you, you're gonna need some type of ladder or something. So this is the entrance to the reception. I'm assuming the bride is gonna come up here. So we got all the lights. Pretty cool. Remember Houston? You remember Texas?
Yes.
For every event, one of the things we like to start off to do first is pretty much covering all of our tables with the linens that we will be using that day. And the colors to the wedding is this beautiful silver, plum, lilac colors, and with some greeneries. The color was absolutely amazing. And then once we were done covering all of our tables, we proceed on with adding the table napkins, the plate chargers, the candle holders, and the vases for the centerpiece. So we like to do everything within that order. Also guys, please check the link underneath this video. I will be putting all the items that you might be interested in getting for an event, whether it was the plate chargers, the table napkins. Check the link underneath this video.
Welcome back to the florist, Madeline. Remember her from Texas. She's back in the business. We got some natural flowers here. We gotta get some in and out. See if I can grab those. Looks like those are some natural.
Are you the photographer?
Yes.
Oh, your name is also Bree.
My name's Brianna.
Oh,
Yeah.
Brianna.
So we got a Brianna.
Yeah, I know, right?
I just saw your work on Instagram.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
The outdoors for the ceremony looked absolutely breathtaking. The view was absolutely amazing. The lighting was just right. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the decor for outside. This is our florist slash decorator, Madeline. She's absolutely amazing. Her work is stunning, and this is her pretty much just zip tying the beautiful flower arrangement that she had created onto the chairs. So what we're doing is pretty much just zip tying them. You could see the type of flowers that we use for the wedding is eucalyptics, baby's breath, and these beautiful roses. And I just really love how full and thick the flower arrangement turned out.
we have them in the middle.
Go to the side.
Yeah, they are to the side.
Because this one is already made like.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
kinda-
But I was, yeah. Okay.
And then you can do one here.
Yeah, I know. I was just thinking. No, the little one goes there. Mhm. The little one. This is the big one. Oh, which one do you have? The little one?
The little
Okay, you have the little one. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be.
And you want to use both of them, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
each one is gonna go on each side.
So I would do, you see the big one?
Mhm.
I would do it, just make it,
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
yeah. And then on,
Okay.
Work for
like
you guys?
L shape.
Okay,
Yes,
like
perfect.
on that side?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So, ano kinuha siya draping na sa akin sa.
So right now we're just setting up this beautiful wooden beam with some flowers. So how we do the flowers is by zip tying it onto the wooden beam, and how we decided to do our beautiful draping. So we want it to look like it's a beautiful swag, where it's swagging, where we kind of crisscross them to one another. That process was pretty easy to do. It wasn't difficult at all. And then we just pretty much zip tied onto the pole, because that day it was pretty windy, so we wanted to make sure that everything stayed in place even if the wind was blowing. And we just kind of set the flower arrangement. We use a zip tie, a really long zip tie, because you're going to need that, to just pretty much tie the flower arrangement to the top and one to the side. And this is basically on how it turned out. The whole outdoor ceremony just turned out absolutely stunning, guys. The weather was so beautiful. The fresh floral arrangement on the chairs turned out amazing. The backdrop from the lighting that's going across from the trees, it was absolutely breathtaking, guys. And at night you should have seen the lights light up. And I just really love how the ceremony area turned out. For the final step, now we're just going to start by just placing the flower arrangement onto the vases, and just look at how amazing those flowers look, guys. The flower size was pretty big. I love how the size came out, and I also love the different color plums and lavenders that was in the flowers, and the eucalyptic branches that was sticking out. It was just absolutely stunning and breathtaking, guys. Man, in person, oh man, I just love the flower arrangements and how it turned out. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. The design that we did for the bride's table was also breathtaking, from the beautiful long eucalyptic garland that was on the table, and from the beautiful plum roses and the baby's breath that we added into the eucalyptus garland, from the sheer draping glitz linen to this beautiful crystal brooch. It just turned out absolutely stunning, guys. Just loved the way the bride's table and groom table turned out.
The napkins, and some of you that has questions, and all the other stuff. Right, Sherly?
Yes.
You can check out your video. You talk about more of the stuff.
Yes.
All right, cool. I know you make those numbers, the table numbers.
Yeah, actually, that's
You have a video where you showed how to do that. So, all right, guys, this is it. Oops, the groom walked in on us, guys, before we were just about done for his big reveal.
And this is the final look on how everything turned out. I really love this venue space. It really captured the whole, glam meets rustic feel with all the beautiful lightings they have up in the ceiling, with the beautiful windows and the beautiful wooden walls. It just looked absolutely stunning, guys. And I just really love the warm feeling of how, the setting was, and how it was just very soothing. I really love the feeling of just the decor and how everything turned out. And just comment your thoughts below, guys, and let me know what you guys think, and of the outcome of this wedding. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Definitely stay tuned towards the end to watch the bride's reaction.